Okay, real quick on how to do this. How to attach the softbox to the Neewer 600. This is how I do it. So open up all your flaps. Rest the LED on top so that it's actually resting on the outside of the softbox. Now it's just time, just gonna put in the flaps. So it's the ones on the side edges first, and then the ones on the top, we'll hold those in place. Then the same on the bottom. It's a little bit awkward, but keep on going. Just like that. And then the final straps go over like so, and over like so. Put that in. There we go. And there you have it. Pretty sturdy. So show it again. Outer straps. Your long straps. Open up all your flaps. Rest the LED on top so the long edges are resting and that these thumb wheels are resting. Fold over the inside flaps. We've got the velcro on the outside. Fold over the long edges. Velcro down. Same on the bottom. Velcro down. One strap. One strap. There you go.